Everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove the Capcut watermark at the end of your video. So to begin, I'm going to quickly make a Capcut video. Just going to be this small little TV glitch thing for 30 seconds. From there we're going to press on export, and we do have to log in. So I'm going to log in real quick. Okay, so we're going to name the file name Capcut Watermark, and we're going to do export. Now it's simply going to save it to your PC. This is quite a simple video, so it shouldn't take too long to export. I will see you guys once it is complete. Alright, as you can see, it's complete. We're going to press on download, and it has downloaded the video. Now we're going to proceed to Windows here, and we're going to do video editor. And we're going to open up the Windows video editor, because that's all you need. Now, it has opened up on this side. So, we're going to do maybe later. Now, I'm going to do new video project. And we're going to open the video we just downloaded. And there we go. It is here. We're going to drag this right here. And it is our video. So, we're simply going to go to the end right here. And generally, for us, because we're on PC, it's not going to show the CapCut watermark. But for you at the end, it should bring the CapCut watermark. So, to simply remove it, we're going to press on trim. And you're going to just trim it until the CapCut watermark is over. We're going to press on done, and then your video will be until the point where your CapCut watermark is not shown. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.